everyone, welcome to DJ TV. So for today's vlog, I would like to share to you the knowledge and explanation on some common questions yet interesting questions about science. First, why the sky is blue? Number 2, why does the moon appear in daytime? Number 3, how do airplanes stay in the air? Number 4, why the water is wet? Number 5, what makes a rainbow? Number 6, do aliens exist? Number 7, why the ocean is blue? Number 8, why the sun is the only star that can be seen during daytime? To answer these questions, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So why the color of the sky is blue? As we all know, there are colors that are included in the visible spectrum. And each color has different wavelengths. Merong longer, merong shorter. And blue light is an example of a light that has shorter wavelengths. So when this color enters into the Earth's atmosphere, the blue light as it collides nearly everything in its path and will be scattered about to the sky. So the shorter wavelength of the light, the faster the scattering into the sky. So mas faster mag-scatter ang shorter wavelengths kesa sa longer wavelengths. And blue light has shorter wavelengths. But the question is, why not violet color yung nakikita natin sa sky? Kasi violet color has shorter wavelengths. Take note, our eye or the human eye is sensitive to the blue light. That is why only blue light yung makikita natin sa sky when it will be scattered. So for everybody's information, the moon does not produce its own light. So the moon gets the light from the sun. So saan nanggagaling yung light ng moon? It is when the sun's rays is reflecting off of its surface. This means that whenever there is a rays of the sun, we can see the moon even it is in daytime. So there are 4 forces that will let the airplane stay in the sky. So meron tayong tinatawag na lift, weight, thrust, and drag. So the lift pushes the airplane up, and the way the air moves around the wings of an airplane gives the airplane lift. So this plane takes advantage on the third law of motion, which states that in every action force, there is always an equal and opposite reaction force. So why the water is wet? Actually, the term wet is ultimately related to water. So what we feel wetness is actually the coldness that we feel when the water evaporates. Do aliens exist? Well, the short answer is we don't know, because we don't have any proof that will state that aliens do exist. And we don't have any proof also that aliens do not exist. As we all know, there are planet-orbiting stars at the right distance for liquid water to exist. And we have no idea that there is any life form beyond our planet Earth. We are very curious kung paano nagkakaroon ng rainbow or saan nanggaling ang rainbow. So alam natin na merong tinatawag na visible spectrum, and that visible spectrum is made up of different colors. When the sunlight rays passes through the raindrops or prism, it will refract, it will bend, and it will produce the different colors that is visible to the human eye. Yun ay tinatawag na Roy G. beam. So, what makes a rainbow? Merong red, merong orange, merong yellow, merong green, blue, indigo, and violet. So, these are the colors that makes a rainbow. And these are the colors that makes the visible spectrum. Maraming nagtatanong kung bakit yung color ng ocean is blue. At meron ding sumasagot, blue yan kasi it is the reflection of the sky, which is the color of the sky is blue. Ganito kasi yan. The red, orange, yellow, these are the light or the color of the light which has longer wavelengths, are much absorbed strongly by the water than the blue light, wherein the blue light has shorter wavelengths. So since blue light has shorter wavelengths, hindi siya ma-absorb much strongly by the water. That is why it is the blue light that gets returned. Why the sun is the only star that can be seen during daytime? As we all know, sun is a very bright star. And because of that brightness, it will black out all the other stars. So, i-black niya yung mga stars na hindi bright. Kaya, yung sun lang yung nakikita natin na nagiging bright during the daytime. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that you learned something from me.